Unlock the power of a generated code by seamlessly transferring it from Lovable AI directly into your Visual Studio Code workspace for ultimate control and creativity. First, navigate to Lovable AI and locate the code you wish to copy. Once you've found the perfect snippet, hover your mouse over it and click on the copy button. You'll usually see a visual confirmation that the code has been copied to your clipboard. Now, let's head over to Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code and either create a new file or open an existing one where you want to place the generated code. It's best practice to ensure the language mode of your file matches the language of the code you're about to paste for proper syntax, highlighting, and functionality. With your cursor positioned exactly where you want the code to go in your Vscode file, it's time to paste. On most operating systems, this is done using the keyboard shortcut that corresponds to pasting. And there you have it. The code from Lovable AI is now perfectly integrated into your Visual Studio Code project, ready for you to edit, debug, and refine with all the powerful features Vscode offers.